Today we are going to learn the linking verb to be in Tibetan. We are going to cover linking verb re and yin. These two linking verbs do not directly indicate tense and numbers. Re is used in the second and the third personal pronoun. Yin is used in the first person personal pronoun. In Tibetan, you are is translated as ke re. The second person personal pronoun you in Tibetan is ke. Ke means you. You are Tibetan in Tibetan language is ke pe ba re. Ke pe ba re. Perth means Tibet. Pe ba means Tibetan. For third person personal pronoun, she or he in Tibetan is kong. Kong is a gender neutral, so she is Tibetan. In Tibetan language is kong pe ba re. Kong pe ba. Teacher is translated in Tibetan as ge gin. Ge gin. He is a teacher. In Tibetan language is kong ge gin re. Kong ge gin re. Re can also be used for definite statements. For example, is teacher ge gin re. Is flower me tok re. Is book thep re. Is restaurant sa kang re. Now let's learn how to use yin. Yin is used for first person personal pronoun. For example, I am Dolma. I in Tibetan is nga. Yin is the linking verb to be. So I am Dolma in Tibetan language is nga Dolma yin. Nga Dolma yin. So, how do you think we should say I am Tibetan in Tibetan language? Well, I am Tibetan in Tibetan language is nga pe ba yin. Nga pe ba yin. Well, Thuk Ji Che, thank you. That's all for today. See you next time.